invisible future. Episode 10: The Decision Factory. When algorithms make choices. You probably made hundreds of decisions today. Which road to take? Which headline to read? Which song to play? Which message to answer first? Most felt entirely your own. But what if many of those choices were quietly shaped before you ever made them? Not by a person, not by a government, but by algorithms, silent systems working behind the screens we rarely notice. The question is no longer whether artificial intelligence influences our lives. It is how often we fail to notice that it already does. Every day, billions of algorithmic decisions happen around us. Navigation apps estimate the fastest route. Streaming platforms recommend the next film. Online stores suggest products. Banks assess financial risk. Hospitals use AI to support medical analysis. These systems rarely make the final decision. Instead, they narrow the field of possibilities. And that subtle difference changes everything, because the options we see often shape the decisions we make. Algorithms do not possess ambition. They do not experience fear. They do not understand justice. They calculate patterns, rank probabilities, compare outcomes. Yet the data they learn from reflects the imperfect world humans have created. If historical data contains bias, inequality, or error, intelligent systems may reproduce those patterns unless they are carefully designed, tested, and monitored. The future of AI is not only about smarter algorithms. It is about building better systems around them. Throughout history, every powerful invention has forced humanity to ask the same question: who remains responsible? The compass did not replace the navigator. The telescope did not replace the astronomer. The calculator did not replace the mathematician. Likewise, AI can support decisions, but accountability still belongs to people. Technology may expand our ability to choose. Wisdom determines how we use that ability. Perhaps the greatest decision of the AI era will not be made by machines. It will be made by us. What values should guide the systems we build? What risks are acceptable? What responsibilities cannot be delegated? Artificial intelligence can help us explore more possibilities than any generation before us. But every future begins with one unmistakably human act: choosing. Because algorithms may calculate the options, only people decide what kind of world those options create. Algorithms can predict, machines can calculate, systems can recommend, but can they care? Can they imagine? Can they take responsibility? Next episode: The Human Advantage. Like and subscribe, please.